What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I had a video request recently on one of my recent videos from Red's Scrapyard. He asked me to do a comparison video between Sheriff Roscoe's police car, the Dukes of Hazzard, on the left here, and the California Highway Patrol 78 Dodge Monaco. So we're going to go in and do a little comparison of the bodies and things like that. I will say that you can use a 78 Dodge Monaco for Sheriff Roscoe's car. On the Dukes of Hazzard Wikipedia, they list a 78 Dodge Monaco and a array of other vehicles that they use throughout the show. So you can use this 78 Dodge Monaco to create a Dukes of Hazzard car. The only thing you need to do is get decals, and I'm sure everybody in the model community knows STS scale model decals. You can get a hold of them through their phone or Facebook here, and they'll get you some custom decals made up. So let's go ahead and do a comparison for Red. All right, guys, so we got the 78 Dodge Monaco out of the box, also from MPC, and we have the Dukes of Hazzard MPC, and it's the same. There's nothing different. It's all the same. The only thing is, see those holes on the Monaco? They don't go all the way through to the top, but it's the same. You got the same pins on the trunk here as you do on the Dukes of Hazzard. You got the same pins and everything for the hood where you have to cut away. So it's exactly the same mold. So there's the front. And here's the inside. The only thing is that you don't have the same markings. This one just is blank, made in China, and this one says Fundations Division CPG Product Corp 1980 maybe. I can't really see the number. 1992, something like that. But made in the USA, made in China. But you see the pins here are the same all the way down to the trunk. Same mold lines. So let's go ahead and look at the front suspension here. So a little different. On the front, this one is more round, and this one's more square. But you got your two holes there. So that's the only two differences that I think you'll notice, is just the writing here, and then the little part here. This one's square, this one's more round. But if you look, the exhaust has the same knurled right there. And the only thing is, somebody did start this kit, so it's painted black versus all the white styrene. But everything's pretty much the same. I mean, the gas tank looks a little bit different. I mean, this one has deeper grooves, but it's 100% the same kit. go ahead and get the interior out and take a look at that. All right, so here's the interior for the Dukes of Hazzard Sheriff Roscoe P. Coltrane. Obviously, the seat back is glued on, and the interior is painted, but you know, you got these two lines here, and the base for your seat to line up. So that's the Dukes of Hazzard. And here's the California Highway Patrol. So, same looking interior. Truthfully, it has maybe a little bit less detail on the inside. It's not as clean, but it might be popping off more because it is painted versus just white. But everything is the same for this one. Take a look at our seats. The only thing is the back of the Dukes of Hazzard, like I said, has been already glued back on. But as you see, you got the same round cutouts for it to sit in there over the trans. So your trans would go here, the end of your trans, and then you have your like drive shaft. But pretty much like you see, so your motor would mount there, and the drive shaft is already built into the frame, so the end of your motor just kind of sits in here like so. But there's that. That's all the same. Then here is the CHP California Highway Patrol grill. And the chrome tree. Got the front and back bumpers. And it's exactly the same layout, except some of the parts on the Dukes of Hazzard are off the chrome tree, but there's where the police lights would go. And there's your grill, your lights. You get a, looks like maybe a double-barreled shotgun or something. It looks like a double barrel, like a little sawed-off double barrel. It's also right here on this chrome tree as well. So the kits are pretty much apples to apples. Like I said, there is a little bit of difference. So another thing we should point out is the wheels. This is the wheels on the left here of the original Dukes of Hazzard Roscoe P. Coltrane. And this is the 78 California Highway Patrol Dodge Monaco. So they're a little bit of a different setup here. Another difference to the kit. But both of them, they want you to glue the chrome center cap on. They almost look like the same wheels, but they're a little bit different. So if you're wanting to make a Roscoe P Coltrane, you can pick up this kit right here. Like I said, 78 Dodge Monaco, California Highway Patrol. Get you some STS decals made up. I'm sure they have them. And you can build yourself a Roscoe P Coltrane sheriff car. Let me see if I can get the decals. This is what the decals should look like. Got Hazzard County, 2 rebel flags, and the county sheriff for the side emblem, and a sheriff right there and right there. So he says Warner Brothers Inc. 1981. So not affiliated with STS in any way, not sponsored or anything, but I know they make good products and I know they're good people. I had the chance of meeting them. So if you want a good product, head on over to STS Scale Model Decals on Facebook, or here's their phone. You might be able to scan this. So I'll hold it there so you can maybe try to scan it. Not sure if it'll work, but there you go. But like I said, I'm not sponsored by them in any way. But if you want some nice decals, go ahead and reach out to them. All right, let's go ahead and compare the hood. So, do got a lot of flashing on the CHP, California Highway Patrol, but a little bit different setup. You have it to where you can cut out the piece of the hood there, versus here you don't, but it is pretty much the same hood. And then if you guys remember when I showed you the guns, you get an M16, this type of rifle, and Tommy gun, shotgun, and the Tele X. It's all the same. So there we have it, the comparison of the Sheriff Roscoe police car from the Dukes of Hazzard compared to the California Highway Patrol 1978 Dodge Monaco MPC. Like I said, they are both the same kits. They're both from MPC. And like I said, they did use a 78 Dodge Monaco in the show, so they must have just used it for this one as well to release this kit. So hopefully that's what you were looking for. Red's Scrapyard, and anybody else that's interested in making a Dukes of Hazzard Sheriff Roscoe P Coltrane sheriff car, you can use a 1978 Dodge Monaco California Highway Patrol. So thank you guys for checking out this video. Thank you guys for all the support and all the comments I've been getting recently. I definitely appreciate it. I thank everybody for visiting the channel, and I'll catch you guys all in the next one. See ya.
This show is brought to you by The Family. Thank you. Like and subscribe.